Today we're going to talk about installing carpet. I'm just going to give you a little bit of information about carpet and we'll talk about it more tomorrow. So first of all, you have carpeting, but underneath the carpet is something called padding. So padding is what actually makes your carpet soft, and it's actually very important because it holds up the life of your carpet. It makes it last a lot longer. It also provides some soundproofing and adds warmth, like it's like an insulator. Carpeting can really vary, like $2 to $4 per square foot. There's something called wool carpet, which is very expensive. It can go up to like $12 per square foot. You also have to pay for the padding, which is usually $1 to $2 per square foot. Sometimes you also have to pay for installation. So that's where the people come in. Now, a lot of times installation might be free. What happens is they jack up the price then of the carpet and padding. Just so you know, if you're ever installing carpeting, most of the time, if you don't remove your own furniture or remove your own carpet, they're also going to charge you for that. So carpeting versus other flooring in rooms. You do not want to carpet your bathroom, your kitchen, your entryway. Okay, bathrooms for obvious reasons, right? If your toilet overflows, you have boys in your house, they pee on the carpet, they pee on the floor. Kitchens, you spill stuff, like you don't want food in your carpet, that's disgusting. Entryways have a lot of traffic. So if they're coming in from outside, you wouldn't want to have them tracking all that dirt on the entryway area. Okay, another thing to consider if you have pets, if you have what's called loop carpet, it's easy for them to snag their nails on it and then pull your carpet. Children and pets cause a lot of stains, so you got to think about that. The other thing is location. So if you're living on a farm, you definitely, where it's muddy all the time, you definitely don't want to have carpet like right in your entryway. All right, so you are going to be carpeting the family room, the bedroom, and the closet. All right, so you're going to go to the carpet slides. Okay, so you need to go to Lowe's, the Lowe's.com, and find padding pictures and price and carpet pictures and price. Okay, so in this area here, you're going to be taking a picture of the padding itself and the price. Same thing over here, pick out your carpet and put the price in. All right, so I went to Lowe's.com and I put in carpet padding up here in the search engine. So there's quite a bit of difference here. So read it carefully because this one has a moisture barrier. It's $17.55 per square foot. Whereas down here, this is a little thinner. Well, it's a lot thinner. It's only 79 cents per square foot. So you got to kind of decide what you want to do. You're going to do the same thing for carpet. Okay, so carpet, you can see here, these are just three examples. One's 53 cents per square foot, one's $1 something per square foot. So you can decide what you want. Now, when you go to find your areas, because keep in mind, you actually have all of these because the ceiling size is the exact same size as the floor size, right? So when you go to find the area of your family room, we just have to take the two dimensions times each other. So for my family room, I have to take 27 by 34.5. Okay, so that family room, I'm going to go down here. I would take 27 square feet by 34.5 square feet, and I'm going to get that exact same dimensions or same area as we did for the ceiling paint. All right, so for the area, the carpet for the family room, you're going to have 931.5 square feet. Again, it's the same thing as the ceiling. You can go back to the ceiling paint area and get your bedroom and your closet as well. To get your total carpeted areas, you're going to add all three of those boxes up top together. All right, and then you're going to have to figure out how many square feet you're going to have in order to determine the total cost of your carpet.